Unboxing SCS-2K's solar security camera system. The security system is nicely packed with a retail box. In the box, we have the user manual and stickers, a box containing all accessories, the NVR, and 4 cameras. In each camera box, there is the mounting bracket, the mounting kits, and the camera. Let's take a look at the camera. As a Wi-Fi camera, it has 2 Wi-Fi antennas, the lens, 4 pieces of 2-in-1 IR and floodlights, the PIR thermal sensor, the speaker beneath the camera, 5 volts micro USB charging port, on and off button, the reset button. It has another USB Type-C charging port on the tail. Each camera comes with a solar panel. Each solar panel has an unassembled bracket in the accessory box, for easier packing. Here is how you assemble the bracket. The cameras have standard bracket docks on the top and the bottom. You can easily fit the bracket in, for wall or ceiling installation. Plug the solar panel's USB port to the camera's tail, then tighten the nut to seal it from rain. Put them outside, the solar panel will recharge the camera. On the bottom there is a micro USB port, on the tail there is a USB Type-C port. You can use any port to charge the camera. Before installing the camera, please use a 5 volts phone charger to fully recharge the camera overnight. This is the NVR. On the back it has the power input, an USB port, an HDMI video output, an Ethernet port, the reset key, the micro SD card slot and a 64GB SD card that keeps past 90-day motion videos. On the bottom there is a hard drive dock, to which you can add a 2.5 inches SATA hard drive, or a SATA SSD for recording. Use the HDMI cable to connect the NVR to a monitor or a TV, plug the NVR to power with included power adapter, plug the mouse to the USB port, turn on the cameras, you will see the camera images on the screen.